Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a brand new Apple ID directly from the Apple website using a phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone. In the address bar, type appleid.apple.com. Once you're on the website, type create your Apple ID at the top right corner. This will open a form where you need to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name and last name, birth date and email address. Make sure this email is one you can access because it will become your new Apple ID. Then create a strong password and confirm it. Next, choose 3 security questions and provide answers. This will help you recover your account if you forgot your password. Make sure you remember these answers. Enter the code shown on the screen to prove you are not robot. Then tap continue. Apple will send a verification code to your email. Check your email, enter the code and tap verify. Once verified, your Apple ID is ready. You can use it to sign in to the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music and all Apple services. And that's it. We have successfully created your Apple ID on your iPhone through the Apple website. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.